This will be an easy appetizer with 2 ingredients. It's gonna be shredded cheese and tortilla. So first thing you want to do is you want to get your tortilla, like the biggest tortilla you can find at any Hispanic food place that you can find. Right, after you have your desired amount of cheese that you put on your tortilla, you want to put it in the oven. And if you have a toast option, you want to toast it for about 3.5 minutes. If not, then you want to do 350 degrees for probably about like 3 minutes or until the cheese melts. Okay, so you want to grab a pizza cutter and you just want to cut this. All right, so you cut it like a pizza. You want to put it on your plate. Then you can put any topping you want, like any salsa.
I give it a 5 out of 5. Pretty good. Pretty good.